Hello everyone. This video is for those people who want to be millionaire or billionaire in a very short period of time, who are risk takers, who have faith on Nio, and who faith on electric vehicles future, and who have also faith on Tesla, who are risk takers. And so I came up with this strategy because I have been doing research on Nio. I have been investing in stock, but I am a risk taker, and I found a stock which can make me a millionaire. That's why I put my all attention to Nio, and I found some strategy. And recently I have been applied this strategy, and it's working pretty well, and it's going to work well because you will see in the video. But why I came up with the strategy, because I have been giving some prediction. I picked the Nio it's a very hard time when Nio is going down. The company is going to be bankrupt kind of situation, because they're burning cash like bad. On that time, like Nio, I bought Nio 1.82, and I was telling Nio is going to do well on November and December, and it actually did pretty well and I bought the share in October, Okay. So my prediction was right, and also I told like Nio gonna hit 3.3 exactly. Nio crossed 3.3 when Nio crossed 3.5, and by end of December. And next I gave the big picture, like Nio's gonna go $11, 10.64 the initial price. When it go up then went down, that price is gonna go. But before it go, it's gonna have some panic situation, fluctuation. So this video is for those long who are investing and faithing on Nio, and I should suggest with this kind of strategy. Maybe my strategy is not exactly gonna work, because nothing is absolute in stock market. Anything can happen anytime, because there is also, we used to have trade war in China, US. Now we are gonna have like Iran, US. You never know what is coming. But by this time, you should make your portfolio strong with using my strategy or any kind of strategy like this, whatever you can come up with. Best of luck, all new investors. So hello guys, so you know what I'm going to talk about today, Nio, right? So that's the thing. After a long time I'm in front of you guys, so I was thinking I'm not going to make video, but I think it's time to help some of the investors, because many of the investors are panicked right now because Nio is having fluctuation of the price. But I'm gonna share my experience. So let me start with something. When I picked the Nio was like price 1.82 when Nio was having hard time, and I told you guys like Nio is gonna do well. I tried to tell you the world like Nio is gonna do well, Nio is the best stock in 2020, this kind of stuff. And I found one thing: when I say something good about Nio and it's gonna do well, the long people, like not everyone, some of the so-called long, they started liking my video, they appreciate me and stuff like this. But when I say something like Nio price can go fall, you should like be careful, some long even started getting mad at me and like started commenting on me. So guys, like we have to accept the reality. Nio fundamentally is weak, and because of this, the Nasdaq and NYSE Nio will be controlled until the finance is not only announced, it have to be strong and stable, because Nio is making revenues like few million, and like they're burning cash like big billion. So when when a person will see this thing, we are doing research, we have faith, but not everybody are doing research on it. They see the like income statement, balance sheet, they'll say, okay, this is having like bad, and because of this stock will be controlled by long time. So today I'm going to reveal an investment strategy for those people like who are panic. I found one thing. I'm not going to talk about like, even in long, I found two categories. So one category is the genuine category, who are long, who bought the share, who are gonna invest for 3 years or like 10 years, So either 3 or 10. So they're the genuine long. But I found like I am not agree with those people who, if you buy Nio for a long time, it's gonna be for sure good. But we know we're having hard time, right? You're burning cash, you're having finance problem. by any chance, you never know, by any chance, if you invest a lot of money and actually you couldn't survive, we will be having very bad time. So for the sake of this thing, we should follow it. So but like follow doesn't mean like you should follow every day. So you say I'm a long, and if price go up like $10 to $20, Nio is gonna give us like 200, 300, 400, 500 revenue. But if price goes 10 cents down, 20 cents, even 50 cents down, why you are panic? You have to be faith on the Nio. That's what you are saying. You are long. If you are long, you are not supposed to panic. But if you are short, okay, you are happy because price is going down. You are doing more fluctuation. So today I'm going to reveal a strategy. So before I'm going to reveal the strategy, I'm going to tell you one thing. So 1.82, when the price was 1.82, when Mobileye and Intel have affiliation, Nio price went up to like 30%. Then immediate next day. So this happen every time. So when anything announced, oh shit. Okay. So when anything announced, so Nio price go up like this. Then it started fall. It's a natural correction. Then, or it's gonna stable like this, you know. So again, when something go up, like came, it's gonna go up. So this happens is like 2.4. This is 2. It's like, yeah, so 2.4 because it's 4, yeah, 2.4, and now it like went down, then it went up to 2.6. This is gonna be 2.6 peak point, and now it's going again like. So it's gonna go, and it's gonna go like this. It's now on 3.5. It's now on 3.5, you know. So this has been happening. So, and again, it's supposed to gonna fall, like, because this price went up to like 4. It went up to 4. Now it's gonna go like 3.5, you know, or 3. So this is the normal thing, because Nio is not stable. When price goes up, it's gonna gonna down for sure. So today I'm gonna tell you one thing. For the Nio who say so-called, but who are not exactly so-called, and who are like following by heart Nios do well like me, and I am having a strategy. I put all my money in. Doesn't mean like I'm not gonna take my profit, because I'm paying my tuition fee. I'm not saying I'm totally dependent on it, but I'm trying to get my money. It's not bad. So like I have seen Nios double my profit, but it's coming down to like 0. So it doesn't mean like I'm not gonna. I believe I'm not gonna. I shouldn't sell it. No, but Nio is not stable yet. You should take some benefits. So when Nio price onwards, when Nio price went up like 10%, 15%, you should sell it. You should not panic, because maybe next day they gave something good news. It's gonna go up 40%. Then still it's gonna come down for sure. Why it's happening? Because on Mobileye, it have a huge investor out of nowhere. People come here, invested, that they started selling it. They're not gonna stay. Same thing happened with the very recent on 29th, on 30th December. A huge wave came to the Nio. So many people invested. Then all the good fundamentals here. Tesla is gonna go up by this month 500. So many people, as I never revealed the video, I know Tesla is gonna go up, and even if some people invest on it, they will have some profit. And why they're gonna risk? We are in the long, so doesn't mean everybody has to invest on faith on the Nio. Like good news are coming for so many stocks, thousands of stock in Nasdaq, New York Stock Exchange. Not everybody have to keep faith on Nio, Chinese company. It's not even fundamentally strong, I'm telling you. I put my faith, but it's not fundamentally strong. So when price gonna go up, if you think this video is for those people who are not expert, and who are like judging, who are learning and stuff like this. I have a tips for you. If it's go up 10%, you should sell it. You should like 50 to 60% of the Nio, you should sell it. and it's gonna go down for sure. No matter what happens, Nio is gonna suddenly start. Nio is not gonna happen like this. I'm gonna show you. Nio is never gonna be like this. Like it's gonna go, it's gonna go, it's gonna go, it's gonna go, it's gonna go. No, this is never gonna happen. So this is the normal thing. It's gonna go up, it's gonna go down. Then it's gonna do this like up, or it's gonna go do this like, and then it's gonna go up. So we are hoping Nio is gonna have this pattern, you know. So if you follow every day, if you follow the Nio stock every day, so sell it in the peak time and buy it in the less price. Or the strategy exactly I am looking for or I am doing, I'm going to give you something difficult or something very different. Something very different, which is like, I'm going to tell you something. I'm going to tell you something very... Try to understand what I'm going to do. Try to understand. So this is T for Tesla, T for Tesla, and N for Nio. So you can see Nio is going up like this. Did you see? So now I'm going to show you the Tesla. So what you can do, you can like 30% of, you can invest on 30% of Tesla and 70% of Nio. What you can do, so when Nio price falls, and this is the peak time, so you know one thing, Tesla price is gonna go up. Tesla price is gonna go up no matter what happens. On that time you can do that's what I'm working on it, because I put all my money on it, and I picked the Tesla on 216. I know Tesla is gonna cross 800, so you should not lose the opportunity to have the money with the Tesla. You know, there's a risk on it. There's a big risk on Nio, but it's a big return. But in the meantime, you have to have some little bit of like safety zone, and this safety zone definitely is gonna go by Tesla. I'm gonna show you. So when Nio price is there and you have Tesla, you sell the Tesla and you pick on that price. And when Nio is jump here, you sell the Nio here and you buy at high price. Tesla's price is going up, you buy the high price Tesla here. So what happens, whatever money you made and the profit, it's like locked. So you bought the Tesla, you sold the Nio here, and you bought the Tesla here. And again, Nio price is gonna fall here. So you sell the Tesla because Tesla is not gonna go down. So when it's gonna go down, you're gonna go, and Nio again is gonna go up. So when Nio is gonna go up, again you buy Tesla here, and again Nio is gonna go down. So we are lucky in that sense that Nio and Tesla both are electric vehicle. The people who believe in Nio, I'm not gonna say, I don't know like anybody. Some people really say bad words about Tesla, I don't know why, but I'm not with those people. Tesla, because of Tesla, Nio is become Nio, and because of Tesla, if I say Nio will make me millionaire, because of Tesla, Nio is gonna make me millionaire. So with all due respect, Tesla is gonna go up, but Tesla is not gonna make us millionaire. Tesla will, yeah, if you invest like 800,000, Tesla will make you. But if you have less money, if you wanna be millionaire, so try to follow this like safe strategy. So yeah, this strategy is working me, because sometimes I made bad decision, but because of holding Tesla, it's saving me up. Because of the same thing, I'm gonna tell you what happened. So when this week, what is happening? When I bought the Tesla, I invested, I took the profit, I invested on Tesla 50%. I sold the Nio 50%, and I bought the Tesla 50%. So what is happening? Tesla price is straight, and Tesla price is even, it's not like, even if Tesla going down, it's gonna be a bad strategy for us. But as Tesla is going up, at Tesla, even if we don't make money, yeah, our margin revenue is increasing, because Tesla is giving a 5%, 2%, 3% every day, right? So what is exactly happening? So same thing, like Nio price went fall, I bought it, but so I gave you, because this is my research, I found it, Nio gonna have a fluctuation and Tesla is gonna go up. So when it's gonna jump, yeah, sometimes it's not gonna work exactly the way I'm showing you. There will be some risk associated, but you have to think, you have to make yourself, don't put everything on Nio right now, because Nio will have a big fluctuation. I know in the long run, if you do this kind of stuff, some safe stuff, Nio will make you good money. So it's out of the box thinking. It's not for those experts long, or the people who are investing for 3 years, 5 years. This video is not for you, but this video is for those people who are panicked with the price. Best of luck, guys.